Today we're going to look at a really great, one of the best-selling wigs out there of all time. And it is from Jon Renau, and it's called Ignite. And this is really a fun, when I put it on, I got it. I got the hype. I understand why all of my other friends out there absolutely love this. And it comes in so many different colors because it's so popular. What it has is the smart lace on the front, as you can see here, from the ear tab over to the ear tab. It has a open wefting, cooler for those summer temperatures. So let's pop it on and you're gonna see what I mean. It does have a lot of volume, but instantly, this is one of those that doesn't have to have really anything out of the box done. But you know, like I have the sporty top on today. It just feels like a sporty thing, kind of wig that you'd want to wear. You could dress this up. You can dress it down. Well, you can with any hair, right? But I don't know. There's just something about this, why it is so darn popular. But look at that. You can see one of the reasons there. Look at the hairline. And I've got one kind of caught up underneath the lace. But you can see that. Where you see dark roots, just use a little bit of your foundation. It'll cover those roots right up. But look at that side. Great face framing, light fibers on the front, around the hairline. I absolutely love this. This color is called, doesn't have a name, but it has a number, and I'll put it down below. So if you love this color, it's the 101 F488. And I'll put it down below so that you can get the link and go to look at all the different colors and everything about this. But just right out of the box, look at that. Has this just like bob, this stacked bob in the back. Stacked bob, right? Comes down in the front, which I just love that. I just feels like that does so much around the face. But we all love our tuckability. And see how you can just easily get this behind. If you don't want that much volume, this does have a bit of permatease in it because this isn't worn to be of low density. Not everybody is a fan of low density, but I understand if you are. But if you're wanting that low density, see, just brush it down some, comb it down, and you're gonna have a lower look. But if you want to get it back up, just use it back, get your fingers in there, and then just start getting that lift. Or take it off, shake it out, and you'll get that volume back in there. It's great. I love, look at all the different colors that they have in here to get this look. It's kind of it's a brown base with all this pretty silver and grays in it and platinums. Look at that, just gorgeous. So what do you think, my friends out there? I think I understand why Ignite is so popular and such a big seller out there. I can see why. She's really cute. So if you want to check her out, if you're looking for something fun, to me this is fun. It's fashionable. It's fantastic, isn't it? It's cute. See you in the next video, my darlings. Bye.